But in a way, you're also saying na, kumbaga, kung hindi nag-away o kung hindi nabiyak ang unit team, maaaring hindi didiktingin ng mga Duterte sa issue na to. Parang ganon.
Oo, kasi alam mo, politika is sometimes, ano yan there are some, that's a problem of our political situation in the Philippines right now. Ito yung tinatawag natin partisan talaga. Na kung saan sometimes, because you're belonging to one party, nagkakaroon yan dyan somehow ng pakiusapan. And that's the reality of our political situation in this country. And even in the other parts of the world. Yun yung politika eh. But sometimes, alam mo, sometimes ako naniniwala ako dun sa, kapag may involved ng patayan, ang nananaig na dyan yung ama na lumikha sa atin lahat. Kasi this is too much.
Mapapalampas.
Yes, this is not about politics anymore. This is about evilness. Because there are lives that was lost, no? Families that are crying. Sometimes, yung mga petty-petty, sometimes napapagbigyan yan eh. But a life of a person being killed and being paid for a reward is something that we need to be concerned with talaga, na dapat never na nangyari. And that's the reason why we consider the EJK as a heinous crime.